chance now. Embrace my fate now. This is my time, this is my place. We're making history and this is how it's made. Let's go!
Alright, 42-42, we're going to run the random here. Got it all set up. 32 teams. Good luck. Gonna roll 3 dice. Got to be 7 or more. We have 11 rounds. Here we go. There we go. New England going to spot 1. Down to the Colts in spot 32. So congratulations to Dave Alsop on the random. There we go. Teams are listed next to your names. I'm going to tag everybody here in a sec. All right, we are tagged up. $11, Spencer. Is that you, Calibred Breaks? New York, Arizona. Daiki. What up, man? All right. 42-42. We got 8 boxes left. Jackson, no, this is 42-42. 42-40, I just uploaded the video if you want to search on our Facebook page. I uploaded the video. One through 8, fellas. 1 through 8. First off the line, we can only do better than we did in the last break. That was freaking nonsense. New England going to Dave Alsop. New York Jets, Daiki Branch. We got the Chiefs going to Doug Rockel. Green Bay, Christian Roll. Jaguars, Spencer Gifford. Chargers, Parker McNeely. Bengals, Spencer Gifford. We have Atlanta going to Dave. Tampa Bay, Chris Johnston. 49ers, Michael Smith. Chicago Bears going to Parker. Good luck. Come on, pick the good box. 1 through 8. Jackson, by the way, that was a terrible box, 42-40. It was missing both of the autos and one of the out of 11 refractors. So you'll see. It's terrible. Sorry, buddy. We got a vote for 8. We got a vote for 5. We got a vote for 7. Who wants to break the tie? Next one wins. 5, 7, or 8. Dave's running in with another vote for 8. Anybody else? 5, 7, or 8. All right, there's another vote for 8. Thank you, Josh. Appreciate it. We're going last box. Here we go. All right. Hopefully this is Banger City. Good luck. Cortland. Jim Kelly. Curtis Martin. Eckler. Fitzpatrick. Silver. Miles Sanders. Hollow. Odell Beckham. ODB. And we got a James Robinson. Men of Mastery. Mosaic. To the Cowboys. Emmitt Smith. Not bad. Montana, J.J. Watt, Derrick Henry, Kenneth Gainwell, Trevor Lawrence, base. That's the first regular base we've seen. Rashad Bateman. Trevor Lawrence, who has Jacksonville? Going to Spencer. All right. Let's heat it up, heat it up. Brunell. Jarvis, Buda Baker, Winovich, John Riggins. We got Fred Bolitnikoff, silver. We got a Bengals red. Come on, Jamar. Jamar Chase, nice. Going to Cincinnati. Spencer, nice hit. That's the NFL debut version. Very nice. Not numbered. Elijah Moore, blue chips. Drew Bledsoe, wrong Patriot, all around. Larry Fitz, Big Ben. Trevor Lawrence again, debut. T-Law, number 2. Dak. Tommy Tremble. J.C. Horn. Bledsoe is tight. He's pretty tight. It ain't worth anything. Let's go Juan of Juan. Anyone interested in a Panini Elite Baseball break? That would be sick. Tunyon. Allen Robinson. Josh Allen. Jalen Hurts. Bobby Wags. Vegas Raiders. Derek Carr. That's a pink. That one should be out of 11. Yep. 7 out of 11. 7-11. Derek Carr going to the Raiders. Josh Bushyhead. That is for you, sir. Mike Evans, red. Emmitt Smith, and a silver center stage. Good old Dan Fouts. Going to the Chargers. Baker, Devontae Smith, Jared Goff, Patty Mahomes, Slater, and Amon-Ra St. Brown. Dude was on fire. Seriously, where are the autos, you guys? Otis Anderson, Jerry Jeudy, Josh Allen, Tom Brady, Reggie Bush, Marshawn Lattimore, silver. Got a refractor to the Dolphins, Jared Dokes, silver rookie. Derrick Henry, there we go. Tom Brady, silver, Stairmasters. Going to the Bucks, Chris Johnston. Not bad. Quiddy Pay, Barkley. Tom Brady again. Drew Brees, Aziz Ajulari, and an Etienne. All right, please, let's get an auto. Come on. Freaking A, no auto still. Getting me worried here. Culpepper. Silver. Oh, that is an auto. That's an auto. Just not backwards this time. Good luck. Which way is it? Here we go. To the 49ers. Come on. Let's go, Trey Lance. Oh, Trey Sermon. Okay, we'll take that. Trey Sermon to the Niners. Not numbered. That's going to Michael Smith. Finally, an auto. There you go, Mike. Take that. Michael Evans. Mike Evans. Jonathan Taylor, silver. Najee. Keenan Allen. Michael Thomas. John Elway. Marino. Keenan. Fihoko. And Trey Nixon. Michael Smith. You got an auto at least. Damn, that red Jamar. Hopefully I get one in PYT. Yes, sir. Jamar is a beast. We might have gold down there. Kyler. Come on, be gold. No, I don't know. Is it gold? Zeke Elliott gold. Let's go to the Cowboys. Not numbered? Oh, this is the honeycomb, you guys. That's the gold honeycomb. So I don't know if that's like the Bubbles version because it's not numbered. The honeycomb. Zeke Elliott. That must be like an SSP. Cowboys going to Doug Rockle. There you go, Dougie. Jamison Crowder, silver. We got not Ish Smith, Shy Smith, silver rookie. Tom Brady montage. Overdrive, J.K. Dobbins. Is that numbered? Numbered to 99. J.K. Dobbins going to Baltimore. Blue Mosaic. That's going to Doug. Jerry Rice, Tillman, Crowder, Caleb Farley, Ian Book, Quiddy Pay. JJ, Gordon, the Bus, Devontae Parker, Tyler Lockett, Patriots, silver mosaic. Come on, baby. Oh, no. Cam Newton. We got Newtoned. Cam Newton. Red, rookie Jamar Jefferson to the Lions. We got Justin Fields to the Bears. No way, another straight fire. Aaron Rodgers again on the straight fire. Wow, Green Bay. That's the second one in this case so far of A-Raj. A-Raj. Who had Green Bay? Going to Christian Roll. Nice hit. What up, Davis? Derek Carr. Kyle Pitts. Tom Brady. Najee Harris. And Penei Sewell. All right, we need to hit some nut draggers here. It's time for a nut dragger already. What is that? What is that insert? That looks cool. Jonathan Taylor, Beckham, Byron Jones, Max Crosby, and we got first off the line parallel is a rookie to the Jets, Zach Wilson to 11. Bang, and it's a color match. Let's go. Oh, baby, nice. Come on, let's get a number 2. 8 out of 11. Almost a jersey number, huh? Zach Wilson, let's go. Calibred, let's go, bro. Calibred? It's hard with these YouTube names. That's a banger, baby. Banger City right there. Bang. JJ Watt silver. I want to know what this next insert is coming up here. What is this thing? What is this? Swagger. Okay. Thought it was something better. Swagger. It looked like a zebra or something at first. Swagger, A.J. Brown. Not numbered. Still looks sick. Justin Herbert. And we got a Mac Jones base debut card. Mac Jones per box so far. At least a base. A.A. Raj. Peyton Manning. Straken. Tryon Shoyenka. Ooh. All right, 2 packs left. We got one more auto hopefully coming. Yeah, Jackson, I told you, dude. It's not pretty. 4240. LaVisca. And we got a silver 49ers, Fred Warner. And we got a refractor, hollow rookie. Who's that? Can't tell what team. Nico Collins. Nico going to the Texans. There's another Mac Jones. Dang, not a silver. Blue chips base. Silver montage CD Lamb. I'm checking the kid reporters for autos, dude. Tom Brady MVPs. Manning. Trevon Morig. And Cornell Powell. Last pack, baby. Good luck, guys. Tyler Boyd, Kurt Warner, Peyton Manning. Please, let's have another auto in here. It is. It's an auto on card. Let's save it. They're facing the other way this time. Leonard Floyd, silver. Tremaine Edmonds, red. Kurt Warner. Jacobs, Zeke. Terrell Davis, Chris Carter, Tyreek Hill, Chaz Surratt, and Tylon Wallace. No auto on the kid reporter. All right. Good luck, good luck. This is going to Miami, and it's a rookie. Going to Spencer Gifford. Dude, come on, be Jalen. It's Jalen Waddle. Oh, I thought it was on card. Not on card. Jalen Waddle, that is nasty. Let's go, baby. J. Waddle auto. Going to Miami. Nice hit. All right. Nice box right there, you guys. Nice box. Best box yet. All right, let's go through the hits. Lots of good stuff. We had Nico Collins, silver rookie. I thought it was going to be a Luka auto. Oh my gosh. That would have been weird. Blue chips Mac. Debut Mac. Straight fire A-Raj. Jamar Jefferson red. J.K. Dobbins blue to 99. We had our first honeycomb. Gold honeycomb Zeke, not numbered, SP. Derek Carr, first off the line to 11. We have a silver Tom Brady Stairmasters. Jamar Chase red, nasty. Zach Wilson, first off the line, is our nut dragger, number 211. Trevor Lawrence, couple base. And your autos, Jalen Waddle and Trey Sermon. Two nice rookies. Nice box, guys. Oh, Shopify is down at the moment. That's not good. Yeah, and it's a color match, dude. Color match. First off the line hit out of 11. That's a banger. So we have a 2-box PYT listed with New England being random off to everybody. And then we have another random box break. So we got 7 left in the case. And we're hoping that there is a loaded box with extra autos because we had 1 box with no autos, which is unbelievable. All right. Thank you guys for filling it up. Hit up the next one. Yep, there's a chance at 2 rookie autos. Yes, sir. We just got 2 in this box.